Welcome to our YouTube channel, Movement Matters, where you will find tons of tips and tricks to help you improve your quality of pain-free movement. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel so we can keep on producing important and relevant information for you. In this video, we'll be talking about the dreaded epicondylitis, also known as tennis or golfer's elbow. Here you'll see Benjamin showing you a simple stretch for your forearms that you can do multiple times a day, even at the office or on your desk, stretching and holding things for about 5 seconds. You'll also notice that Ben here is using the thumb as part of this classic forearm stretch. The part of the thumb is an important part of this element that should not be missed. A simple rolling pin or a cylindrical bottle can also do the trick to self-massage tight areas in your forearm, both front and back side of your forearm. Stabilizing the arm all the way to the shoulder is also a key element for overall health, so you'll see Ben on all fours where his elbows are turning in and out, yet his wrists and his shoulders are creating a lot of strength and stability in that area as well. Let's not forget the finger and the wrist extensors. Using an elastic to open and close your fingers, we actually rarely use them, so don't be surprised if they tire quickly. Forearm pronation, supination are key movements to maintain with a small weight or a small hammer. Full circle circumductions by gripping a ball will also help your grip strength in different ranges. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, send them to info@sportspecialist.ca.